Hi friends, welcome to Techno Leadership Insights. People tend to have different views on what is best for their career. While some believe in single-minded focus on goals, others believe in destiny and take life as it unfolds. Of course, there are many other equally compelling perspectives as well. Key question is which perspective is right, which is desirable. Obviously, it is not an easy question to answer. The choice is highly dependent on individuals' personality and preferences. Nevertheless, it is worthwhile to understand different perspectives so that one can make informed choice, knowing fully well its implications. After all, the perspective we hold significantly influences decisions we make throughout our career. In this connection, in coming weeks, I'll share few videos, each focusing on one career perspective. Today, I'll focus on perspective of a goal seeker who believes in single-minded focus on career goals. Studies after studies have shown that people who are clear on their goals and focus on them perform better in their career than others who either don't have clear goals or even if they have, don't focus on them. Most of the celebrities whom we see in newspapers, magazine covers, and TV talk shows having exceptional career talk about same thing. Now listen to Arnold Schwarzenegger talking about how having clear goal in life was instrumental in his exceptional achievements.
The first rule of success is to have a vision. You see, if you don't have a vision of where you go and if you don't have a goal where you go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere. I mean, as you know, I was born in 1947 in Austria after the Second World War. So I was very fortunate that I stumbled onto my vision. And I didn't really like Austria when I grew up. I couldn't wait to get out of there. I couldn't see myself becoming a farmer or a worker in a factory or anything like that. Even though my parents wanted me to stay there and have a normal life. But that was their vision, not mine. My vision was totally different. I felt that I was born for something special, for something unique, for something big. Then one day I went to school, I remember I was 11 years old, and they showed a documentary about America. The huge skyscrapers, the high-rises, the huge bridges, the 6-lane freeways. That's where I want to be. One day after school, I walked by a store in Graz. So I went inside and I looked around and then I saw a magazine. I saw a bodybuilding magazine that had Reg Park on the cover. Reg Park was then a 3-time Mr. Universe. And I saw him on the big screen as Hercules. I read that and I said to myself, wow, this is the blueprint for my life. This is exactly what I want to do. I want to become a bodybuilding champion just like Reg Park. I want to get into movies just like Reg Park. And I want to make millions of dollars and be rich and famous just like Reg Park. You know how great it felt that I knew where I was going? Imagine the majority of people don't know where they're going. I knew where I was going. That I'm going to become this bodybuilding champion just like him. I was so relieved because when you have a goal, when you have a vision, everything becomes easy. So people always ask me, when they saw me in the gym in the pumping iron days, they say, why is it that you're working out so hard? 5 hours a day, 6 hours a day, and you have always a smile on your face. To me, I'm shooting for a goal. In front of me is the Mr. Universe title. So every rep that I do gets me closer to accomplishing that goal, to make this goal, this vision turn into reality. At the age of 20, I went to London and I won the Mr. Universe contest as the youngest Mr. Universe ever. And it was because I had a goal.
Pretty impressive. So, is it good to have a clear career goal and exclusively focus on it? Is it that simple? Well, it is not an easy question with simple answer. After all, it is about one's life, and life is not just about career. There are other priorities in life too: health, family, hobbies, sports, social life, special interests, to name a few. Corporate career is an important component of that, but not only one. After all, it is about our life, and we have only one life. Besides, what happens if one does not succeed? After all, if there are 100 people trying for same thing and only one can get it, what will happen to others? Media will run after the winner and person becomes a celebrity. But what happens to rest 99? Well, that is a topic for another day. Meanwhile, what do you think? What is your experience? If a young person who trusts and respects you seeks your advice, what advice will you give? Do share your thoughts and experiences in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.